Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from POCO F7 Pro to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both to get free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to, and then click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of POCO and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on POCO, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!